Sometimes I wonder what was on God's mind to have created someone so wonderful as you. But now I look at you, I realize that God, He must have been thinking about me. You're a mystery to my mind. You're a perfection of the potter's hands. You're so rare, to you none can compare. I don't love you and I'll prove it to you, 'cause I believe in me and you.
Love is life.
Love is a life
I get from God above.
now you are mine.
I witnessed before all that
You are one more
than all to me.
happiness is all